Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit template on CapCut. So to get started, open CapCut on your device. Once you have opened it, you can see somewhat like this on your screen interface. Here I'm in the template option. In here you can see many templates, like in the beat option you can see many beats template. You can see the stop motion, slow motion, and here in the meme you can see the funny one template, and lyric video you can see the lyrics and many more. So here I'm gonna choose one beat. Suppose I have choose this, I have to use this template in order to edit it. So I'm just using this template and selecting some pictures. I've already selected some pictures. Here you can see as per the template it is exactly same. So this is how the video turns out. So this is how easily you can edit template on CapCut. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell in order to get more update about our videos.